If you need to export a Figma file to PDF, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can save your design cleanly and share it with anyone. Whether you're creating a presentation, a portfolio, a client handoff, or a printable document, exporting to PDF in Figma is simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and go to the canvas. On the canvas, select the frame you want to save as a PDF. This is important because Figma exports the selected frame, so make sure the right frame is highlighted before you continue. If your design has multiple frames, take a moment to click the one you actually want to download. Once the frame is selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Figma keeps all of your design properties and export settings. Scroll all the way down until you see the export section. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling slowly because it's usually near the bottom of the panel. In the export section, click the plus icon. This adds a new export setting for the frame you selected. After that, you'll see a format drop-down, and it will usually be set to PNG by default. Click that drop-down and change the file format to PDF. This tells Figma to export your frame as a PDF instead of an image file. Once PDF is selected, everything is ready for the final step. Now click the export button, which will show the frame name such as export frame name. Figma will then generate the PDF and download it directly to your computer. After the download finishes, open the file to make sure everything looks correct and that the layout, spacing, and text exported the way you expected. If your PDF doesn't look right, go back into Figma and double check that you selected the correct frame before exporting, and that's it. You've now learned how to export a Figma file to PDF in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma or design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.